Ito mainit na balita. Gilas Youth hindi nagawang tambakan ang bansang Indonesia sa kanilang laban kanina. Ito na ang pang-apat na panalo ni Coach L.A. Tenorio as head coach ng Gilas Youth at inaasahang magiging malinis ang record niya sa last game nila kontra sa bansang Malaysia. Ito, at panoorin natin ang buong highlights ng game. Pero bago yan, like and subscribe lang mga kabady para sa latest basketball news and highlights.
A couple of good looks here for Gilas Philippines. Great pass right there of the ball game. Indonesia wants to answer quickly. That is Benjamin with the takeaway. Benjamin with the... Ayare finally sends it to Carino. No one help in the Philippines. And Prince Carino showing us that he can... Jolo Pascual slicing through. Benjamin. Oh, that... And the off-footed sponge and learn as much as I can from a pass to the corner. Jolo Pascual. First ball played for the Ateneo Blue Eagles in the UAE. Oh, short. De Los Reyes with a pass. Carino secure. Pass. Perfect. Basket. Go. 3-point shot, but Gilas Pilipinas goes right away to the other side. Ethan Tanchi attacks a close-up. Leaves it for De Los Reyes. Great defense, still up 4 after that first quarter. Are underway in the second quarter. Quick pass from the team. It is well coached. It is performing like a unit. And you're seeing results. He said that. Although the correct pass, as Benjamin scored. Words of wisdom coming from a legend like L.A. Tenorio. Again, finding that middle. Pass to the middle. I'm sure they're beaming with Reyes. A quick pass. Cruz from the rainbow. That's good. Find once again
Gilas Youth
of that zone. Jatamkul Sumbun.
Gilas Youth still the coach L.A. Tenorio as head coach ng Gilas Youth.
Ayare extends it to 8. Is wide open for Thailand. Naranata hits the layup. Philippines under 16. Oh boy, what a finish of Benjamin. Right even for the Pro Cup. 8 hours, second half, it is 32-2. Top of the key 3. Good opening happen. Caballero won't get the bounce. Antolin put that shot. Won't go. Caballero skies for the offensive lead. Filipinas face a double-digit lead for the first. What he can do. Has that soft touch and once again Jolo with a bounce pass. Caballero hangs midair. Also wearing a Gilas Pilipinas jersey now, playing 3-3 action. And here's that offense that they love to run. Back pick for the wing guy and Hali. The double team from the weak side leads to one. Oh, Sebastian pushing the ball and that wraparound pass here in this timeout. Showing us a zone defense. The pass. Asea will try from deep. That is good. Travis with a fake, patient move. Oh, it bounces out. Lumage down low. 19 seconds on the shot clock for Indonesia as we're finally ready to resume action. Oh, rebound claim by Cruz. Push shot is good inside. As you take a look at this Travis Pascual. Filthy finish. De Los Reyes, Pascual scores again. Shirley will attack here. Benjamin sneaks one in.
Parami ng parami. Yung mga nanonood and the crowd. Ang locals there and even people from Manila if they want to come in.
Wow, 1 of 3. Oh! Things down a bit, Caballero to Prince Carino. Yep, for that shot when he goes to the higher levels. Wow, it was too high. Naranata challenge but still scores.